Hello again, this is Michael from MTech. I'm going to show you the student side of a studio board and how you can send it to your teacher so that once you are finished, you will be able to share it with your teacher or possibly even other friends that you want to collaborate with on a studio board. So once you have signed in as a student, you can navigate over to the studio board up here in the waffle and go to Studio, and then you can start making a board. By starting a board, you can say, let's create. I'm going to start one from scratch. I'm just going to quickly put some content in it to show you the next step afterwards. Once I have finished my studio board and I want to hand it into my teacher, or possibly you want to collaborate with another student, you go up here to this blue share button and you click it. If you want to invite collaborators or send it to your teacher, you still say invite collaborators. All you do here is you say from classroom. Now you can choose which classroom you're going to send it to. Usually you only have maybe one classroom if your teacher has, and then you send it to there. And then it says send. Now if you want to collaborate, you would add the name of another student in here. Otherwise, if you're just sharing it with your teacher, all you need to do is say send invite, and this will only go to your teacher. It usually says that it hasn't been sent to anybody, but it has sent to your teacher. So that's all you need to do, and then you can go back to your board, and now your teacher will have access to your studio board. Have fun creating your studio boards and reach out to your teacher or me if you have any questions.